Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be really delving deeper into the Matplotlib library. So alright, early on with this, I showed you the Pyplot figure function. That wasn't entirely accurate. I kind of glossed over it because I wanted to show you, I wanted to keep you moving. But now that you guys have been touching this more and more, now I'm going to show you really what that is about. So from Matplotlib, import Pyplot as PLT. So all right. Let's just bring that in and then we'll look at it. But so all right, really what this can do is we pulled up this and we did plt dot figure, right? Okay, and it says the Pyplot help on the function figure, right? Well, that wasn't 100% accurate. So, alright, Pyplot dot figure. Alright. So, now, I just created a figure object. Alright, you ready for this? Boom. This is more accurate. So, I didn't want to get off into the weeds. I wanted us to get graphing. I wanted us to get building stuff. So let's do help on. So we know what this will do. This just is a ton. So let's get up here. So let's see the doc. This is all the documentation tied to the figure object. Oh crap. So let's see if I've gone too far. So this actually in the documentation refers to this as its own module, but just like our other stuff in with like font, there we go. So this actually calls it the figure module for figure object. So however you want to think about it, since it's creating an instance, boom, this is everything that's tied to it. So we can really start manipulating and handling these graphs. So this is it. Real quick video today. I wanted you to see this. There is much more we can do with our figure. A ton of stuff. We're just going to start to manipulate it and do what we need with it. But there we go. This is a figure object, and that is how we do it. We pass it nothing and we assign it to a variable, and then it creates an object. So all right, so as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell. And please keep those comments, questions, and my all-time favorite, any video requests coming. They're very helpful, helps out the community. And if you have the question, somebody else has the question. So help everybody out, because I know I'm not perfect. I know I'm not explaining everything. I know I'm leaving gaps. Even though with these micro videos, I'm still leaving stuff. So guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.